coming through. Bermuda, the first ones getting out, the A class started. As you see, the A class is heading out. Man, the B class is probably got more boats in. Looks like the A class has got 2 boats in it. Let's start it. Let's see. And then they gotta go all the way around the island and come back this way. So we'll see who comes back in first. See who makes it. See who gets cleared back in. Here we are. The A class has started. I think the intervals they start every 2 minutes. So. The B class is gonna be a lot of boats. That's chicken in there. Chicken, Howie, all of them's coming out together. You feel me? Now we gotta see the B class first. We wanna see who's winning out of chicken, Dirty, and fucking Howie. Yeah. Chicken, Howie, Dirty, a lot of boats. Donnie. David. Oh fuck. I didn't even think about them. Yeah? I'm just gonna let it run. Like 11 minutes of memory time for this loop. So let's see. See what happens this lemon. That's supposed to be leaving every 2 minutes. So that one went. The next 2 minutes, the next one's coming. Let's get and chill up here, you folk. Show you these sights and shit. You know what I mean? Because I could be getting, sorting on my warning, but for now, I'll just show you what these sights is happening in Bermuda. Beautiful day, as you see another planes coming in. Jane, this paradise, you see me? You see the planes fucking landing, boats out, beautiful day. Come on, you can't get no better than this, you know what I mean? If you ain't been to Bermuda, you need to come Bermuda, yo, and get a link, you know what I mean? And you got someone that's got a boat, you know what I mean? Then your boy, out in the water on a beautiful day like today. As you see. But as you see, I'm just letting you guys see this video. So I want to see the B class come out. The chicken, I'm always team chicken that just won his jet ski race. He's been coming out in a race boat now, you feel me? Huh? My nigga Rose races the jet skis, wins, and then comes on the race boat and tries to win. Fuck, it'd be nice as a double victory today, but here we are, just the views. We're going to see who comes to the pylons next. Every 2 minutes they pull off. So the other boats are lining up now. So we're going to see some screamers come during the second. So we're going to make sure we got it all on camera. You have the jet skis. Yeah, Bermuda's a nice place, nice friendly place. You could go talk to anybody pretty much. I wish you come in peace. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I got that. Okay. Once I press stop, then I'm coming that way. That's all I want. That's good shit. That's good shit. Bless up. That's what I'm talking about. This and no. You know what I mean? Bang, check that shit out once I came. I only got this video done. I should have paused it. Hold on, here we go. That's what I'm waiting for. So it's like the first B class coming out. Okay. These boats here have the actual chance of winning the around the island. They will catch up the A class boats, but the speed of the B class has enough speed to keep going before the fucking D class comes out, and that's the big motors, the double engines and shit. So these are like the 250, the 300s that's about coming out now, and after that you had the twin 300s. So it's different classes and shit in Bermuda. So, oh man, check that shit out, man. We got about 5 minutes left before we call it quits. Probably take a dip. As you see, it's a hot ass day. As you see me, I'm here. You know what I mean? Just I'll turn the camera around her, yeah. The hot ass sun brightening up. I just exactly jumped on board this beautiful water and the cooling right off. So we are, we're just waiting to see if fucking, you know? Yeah, with the boats. Stay tuned. Here we go. That must have been a late A-class boat.
I think he's like technically B-class, but he's got a stock engine. So
They let him go before. Okay, nice. Here we go. Thank you. You see it get to in the house, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, man.
yeah. Hey, look, check it.
Okay, here we go. Look, just give me the look. Oh, here we go. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. It's out front. It looks like Jed. I tell you, Jed is out front. Jed is out front. Jed is out front. Coming from Hang'em High. Oh, see, check him. That's chicken in the dark. Look at her, Howie and David come through. Oh, fuck. That little behind, but they're coming. Catch a bird. Oh, fuck, it's a long race. Oh, no. Look at this. Oh, look at them here. Oh, hurry up, beef. Oh, there we have chicken right here. Chicken, oh, but there you have it. Huh? That's beef. There you have it. It's a long race. To get around the island, it started. Oh, fuck. That's chicken in there right there. There he goes. Alright, until next time, make sure you check out this shit, man, you know what I mean? See? If you not subscribe and check out my shit, you got a lot of videos, but, you know, I'm done for a little while, you know, I'm gonna take a break. Bang.
Everybody that know that your friends will never sell you out, bust a block in a year, bust a thousand block, bust a thousand block, bust a block.
Bermuda today.
That's how we are gonna call forever in the same.
Man, here we go, Man, long video for you motherfuckers today. Wow, done.